What are you doing right now, Adrienne?
I'm putting my shoes on so I can get ready to go to my friend's house. My friend's house got robbed and his house got ransacked. They dumped out all his drawers and dumped out all his boxes and tore through everything and left the place ransacked. They left the place trashed. So I'm going up there to help clean and organize stuff. Since the house has no electricity, the power's not hooked up right now, I have to dress warmly. Okay. Murray's grinding up some weed for me so I can roll up some joints to smoke while I'm working. And that's what I'm doing right now. I always pet my cat Bubba before I go, so here I am clutching all my stuff, ready to walk out the door, and I realized I didn't say goodbye to her. Goodbye, Bubba. Give me a cat kiss. I love you. I'll see you soon. She's about 18 years old, and she is obsessed with me, and she misses me when I'm gone, and I miss her too. When I filmed that video last year, I thought, nothing like this will ever happen to my house, but it did. The difference is, when my friend's house got robbed, he was able to call the police and report the robbery to the police. When my house got robbed, it was robbed by the police. I can't report the robbery to anyone. The thieves will get away with it. And I'll probably never get almost any of my stuff back. Even if I get a court order to get it back, they probably won't give it back. So in May of 2012, I was getting ready to leave for Bonnaroo. And this is an instrument. This is a real instrument. And it really plays music. Do you know where I'm going to be playing this instrument over the summer?
In your house?
No. Well, maybe yes. But I'm going to be carrying this around and playing it at Bonnaroo. On June 1st, I left my house with my roommates and I went to Bonnaroo. My car is packed and I'm getting ready to leave for Bonnaroo right now. I'm actually about to get in my car and drive away. And before I leave, I wanted to say goodbye to my cat. Well, I have a lot of cats to say goodbye to. First, I'm going to say goodbye to Kitta. Oh, Kitta doesn't even want to uncurl. Bubba. Bubba's my old cat, my old lady, and she's really going to miss me while I'm gone. I have to spend some time saying goodbye to her. Oh, Bubba, I'm going to miss you so much. She's going to be meowing at my door every day. Sweetheart, I'm gonna miss her so much.
We'll take good care of her.
Angel. Oh, I should also say goodbye to the kittens. Goodbye, Angel. Goodbye, I'll see you later. See you in a month. These kittens are being quarantined because they have a contagious disease. Goodbye, kittens. Goodbye, kittens. They're kind of scared of me because I've been having to put medication in their eyes and squirt it down their throats. Where's the other kitten?
It just ran over. It's hiding right
Oh, it's
there.
hiding.
Little kitten.
Bye. Oh, I'm so scared of me. Hopefully it'll calm down by the time I get back. Goodbye. I'm going to wash my hands now so I can pet Bubba one more time. Every time I touch the kittens, I have to wash my hands because they might still be contagious. And I especially don't want Bubba to get sick because she's so old. I'm drying my hands. I'm drying again really well on my shirt. And then I'm going to pet Bubba. Bubba, I'm leaving you for a month. Or a little more than a month. But I'll be back. I'm leaving you all kinds of boxes of Fancy Feast. And all kinds of people to pet you. Good cat. Hi, I'm Adrienne Floreen. Bonnaroo by myself. I'm driving alone because at the last minute, none of my friends wanted to come with me. But that's okay. It gives me more room to have all this stuff with me. I don't even have any room in my car for people.
Fuck, we gotta do this again? Yeah. Jason did all of it. It was good. At least it wasn't a full rig, though. Oh, yeah? That shit was fun, though, man. Yeah. You had that evil woman came and started going out. The cops are like, I don't give a fuck.
Oh my gosh! I'm at Bonnaroo!
It was okay, though. Yeah.
And then after Bonnaroo, I went to go see fish. No, not that kind of fish. The rock band fish, of course. There's me enjoying a fish concert in Indiana. I was on my way to a fish concert in Ohio when I got a phone call with bad news. It was one of my friends from California, and he said, "I've got some bad news for you, Adrienne. The police are raiding your house." And I said, "The police are raiding my house? Why? Because of my marijuana videos on YouTube?" And they had taken all of my marijuana. My medical marijuana. Oh my gosh, I'm almost home. Wow, there's a bunch of towels hanging over my fence.
That's how they've been drying the laundry.
Oh my gosh, the white kittens. They've gotten so big. Hi. Hi, Keeper. What happened to your collar? There's the other white kitten. He's gotten so big. Now I'm going to open the door. The door is hard to open. Oh my gosh! The house looks totally different. How do you turn on the light?
There's a lantern there.
All the furniture is completely moved around.
They moved it.
Well, at least it's not as bad as I thought it would be. There's cords everywhere.
The power's still out.
The kitchen looks good.
They just washed all the dishes.
Cool. All my art supplies.
They've been doing their art there.
And what's this plant? It's Bubba. Hi, Bubba. It's nice to see you again. Oh, her fur's all nice and soft. I'm afraid to see what my room looks like. Oh,
Clean the
first I have to
kitchen?
roll a joint.
Yes.
Oh no, I'm out of rolling papers.
They were all misplaced.
Oh my gosh, they cleaned my barn.
They cleaned all the pipes.
And who's this beautiful cat?
They thought it was one of yours and they've been feeding it.
Really? It's beautiful. At least the yard looks good.
They've been watering it.
What's this?
That's your tobacco. They're trying to dry it.
Well, I'm glad to be back home. I'm glad that my barn's cleaned out. I wish my power wasn't turned off, but at least I have the lantern. While I was gone, my roommates did a good job of taking care of my cats, and they did a good job of taking care of the garden. My stuff is completely rearranged, and a lot of it is missing. I don't know what stuff was taken by my roommates and what stuff was taken by the cops. Well, I'm ready to take a shower. I've got my clothes right here. I've got some towels. And I've got the bong so I can smoke while I'm taking a shower. So I just need to know how to turn the light on.
Step on the switch and the power strip on the floor.
Bubba, I have to take a shower right now. I think the food's almost done. Time to check it.
Wilson got clobbered.
Who decided to put a hat on Wilson, put a mustache on him, and put him up on a pedestal?
They did.